All right, thank you so much. Let's give Miss Lani Roncesvalles a big round of applause, no, our Diamond 2-star for the wonderful job of hosting this presentation, no? At alam nyo, si Ma'am Lani is one of the very reliable leader natin, no? Always on the go and very appreciative of how this platform has changed her. At alam nyo, even on an early morning when we first claimed the P7, no, talagang the night before, no, I told her ready agad siya to actually come with us and serve yung kanyang mga partners. And with that, let's give a big round of applause to our host for this presentation, Miss Lani Roncesvalles. So as introduced, my name is Erwin and I will be your presenter for today to share with you about the product that this company has to offer, no. Pero bago yon, may mga katanungan lang po ako. Ayan, a couple of questions for our attendees. So unang-una po, number one, do you think health is important? Yan. Can you please type on our chat box if you think health is important? No, yes, yes, yes. Yan. Okay, thank you po. Thank you so much for answering. Second, in a scale of 1 to 10, kung importante po ang health, no, 1 pinakamababa, 10 pinakamataas, ilan po kaya ang scale niyo? What is the rate that you will give? Okay, sabi ng iba 10, sabi ng iba more, no? Kung kaya 100. Yes. I agree, no? Bakit? Kasi ang health natin yan ang puhunan natin, no? In whatever we do, whether we are employed or we are in business or in an advocacy. So kaya po dapat talaga natin itong i-prioritize. Tama po? Kaya lang, the sad truth sa ating mga Pilipino, no, least priority ang health, no? My next question, kailan po kayo huling bumisita sa inyong mga doktor? Is it a regular visit o tinitiis o tsaka lang pag malala na at tsaka nagpupunta, no? All right. And another question, no? Last na to, promise. Okay, when was the last time you did something good for your health? Ano ba, nag-exercise? Sino huli nag-exercise dito? Just recently, kailan lang? Yan. Kumain ng fresh fruits and vegetable, nagsalad. Ayan, yan, yan. Okay. So, okay. The reason I ask is because ang topic po natin actually that relates to the product is health, no? And I'm here to discuss that with you, no, through this product opportunity presentation. So, let me start with statistics po muna. Okay. This is a report from the World Health Organization. This is updated from September 2022. I've been presenting this for more than 3 years na, no? Almost 4 years. And alam nyo po, from the 54% dati, noong 2018, now take note of the 74% of people died from this chronic disease. So kung dati, 1 in every 2, ngayon, 3 in every 4, well, 70, almost, no? 3 in every 4 people will die from this kind of diseases. Of course, nangunguna pa rin ang heart disease at stroke, yan. But you know, interestingly, diabetes, dati po number 8 ito, pero ngayon number 6 na. And other names, no, types of cancer, tuberculosis, cirrhosis, and diarrheal disease. Now, ano bang dahilan, no? Anong pinakang reason? Number 1 is aging population, no? Hindi po tayo bumabata. Every day we get older, no? At ang atin pong body ay nagkakaroon ng wear and tear. Dagdagan mo pa ng number 2, wrong diet, no? Ang mga Pilipino, napakasarap na kumain, no? Nag-enjoy po tayo, no? And not all the time it's healthy, no? Dahil fast-paced na ang modern world, fast food na rin ang kadalasang go-to ng marami, no? Pangatlo, inevitable stress. Hindi po naiiwasan ang stress, no? And pollution, lalo-lalo na if you live in the metro. Yan po ang mga leading causes ng deadly illnesses. At ngayon, kahit nag-a-advance ng technology, no, in terms of medicine, bakit may bottleneck pa rin ang medical science? Bakit hindi natin nasusolusyonan yung ugat nito? Kaya nga, ang dami pang mga panibagong sakit na nagsisilabasan. But good thing, alam niyo po ba, there is this recent medical science breakthrough. Ano po yun? And this is the discovery of stem cells. Yan. Question lang po, narinig niyo na po ba or is this the first time na medyo you come across the term stem cell? Yan, paki-chat po sa ating chat box. Okay, yan. So ano ba yung stem cell? Okay. Basically, dito po tayo lahat gawa. Na it's the most basic form of all living things, no? All organs ay diyan nag-ugat, no? It has unlimited possibilities of treatment boundaries at may miraculous ability po siya. Nagsimula ito isang gabi nung si mommy at daddy ay nagpatay ng ilaw at nag-meet ang sperm and ovum, no? At ang nangyari po ay na-form ang unang-unang stem cell. And noong una, generic lang po siya, no? But later on, nag-duplicate siya. Naging 2, 4, 8, 16, hanggang sa dumami ng dumami and reach a stage called blastocyst. At mula dito, nagkaroon na sila ng specific assignment. Okay, so yung iba naging, ikaw maging heart ka, ikaw maging liver ka, ikaw maging lungs, ikaw maging intestines and all, no? And after 9 months, we have a baby, no? After mag-develop into 300 plus different types of stem cells ng ating pinaka-mother stem cell. So in short, lahat po tayo, kayo mga nanonood at ng mga kamag-anakan po ninyo ay gawa sa stem cell. At yun nga, this has so much potential. Hindi lang po kami ang nagsabi niyan. Marami na pong articles, write-ups, and even Time Magazine featured the purpose or pinaka-promise of stem cell. Sabi po nila, it's an unstoppable medical science trend and the greatest revolution of medicine emerge. No? There's also an article here, medyo naka-Chinese characters lang po. Pero ang ibig po niyang sabihin dito is 100-year-old na tao in a 50-year-old body. No? Imagine, half the age. Ganun ang itsura. Because one promise of stem cell is not just anti-aging but reverse aging. Yan. So Erwin, kung maganda at mahusay ang stem cell at marami ang nagsasabi, paano ba namin makukuha yan? How can we benefit? Okay. These are the methods of receiving benefits from stem cell today. At ang pinakang traditional or nauna na pioneer approach is the placenta injection, which can be done in Switzerland or in Germany. So dito kailangan niyo pong magpa-schedule, no, to fly abroad, no. It's expensive. One of the popular guy in the Philippines is Senator Juan Ponce Enrile, who has regular of this na nagkakahalaga po ng $100,000. So that's about 5 million, no, for a single session. Pero hindi lang po isang araw yan, no, kasi may kailangan i-prepare yung katawan niyo, i-condition for the procedure at masakit siya, no. So it's time consuming, it's expensive. Hindi po lahat, no, mga rich and famous lang ang usually nakaka-afford po niyan. There's also stem cell transplant. Okay, ito po pwedeng from a different part of the body. Halimbawa, sira na po yung ating knees, no? Pwede pong kumuha ng stem cell mula sa kabilang tuhod na maayos pa and isalin sa ating kabilang tuhod, no? Kaya lang expensive and painful. Bakit po? Kasi kailangan during the process walang anesthesia. Kasi pwede pong mamatay ang stem cell kung meron pong chemical. Okay. And another one, no, pwede rin pong galing sa ibang donor but it has to match. Usually yung mga may cases ng leukemia, kinukuha po yung bone marrow, stem cell from the bone marrow at isinasalin po mula sa donor to another patient. So kaya lang, yun nga, expensive and painful. Okay. Nowadays, nagiging popular na po ang tinatawag nating cord blood banking. Ito naman, so yung mga mommies po dyan, pag sila ay about to give birth, so yung mga representatives from this Singaporean company din, no, will invite them na, Mami, bakit hindi po ninyo i-avail itong cord blood banking? So pagkapanganak po ninyo, yung dugo dun sa pusod, yun po yung cord blood because that is stem cell. Okay, kukunin po at i-freezer natin and in the next 20 years, kung sakaling magkasakit si baby or si mommy, kukunin po natin, no, after nating i-bank at dun po, yun po ang gagamitin para pagalingin sila, no, to address their chronic disease. Okay, kaya lang ito, even if you are not using it, you pay for the storage. Okay. So pwede, kung may pera po kayo, pwede yung bayaran in bulk, isang bilihan na or pwedeng annually or quarterly, parang insurance package, parang ganon. Kaya lang yun nga, may time limit lang po. So paano kung lumampas na ng 21 years? Or papaano kung halimbawa sa aming mga kalalakihan, hindi na namin mahagilap kung nasaan ang aming mga pusod, no? Patay na. or kung mahagilap pa namin, tuyot na, no? Hindi na po live yung cell doon, yung cord blood. Okay. Another popular thing is placenta injection mula sa beauty salons dahil nga ang promise ng stem cell is, you know, reverse aging. So marami pong nagtatry din po nito, no, kung may budget po. Kaya lang, ang suggestion namin is if you will go for this procedure, doon na po kayo sa kilalang clinic. Okay, go for Belo or Kalayan para sure kayo na yung mga gumagawa po ay professionals. Okay. Baka mamaya sa mga maliliit na salon ay mga OJT pala yung nag-administer sa inyo. Pinagpa-practicean po kayo. No? So there are safety concerns at hindi rin nyo sure kung saan ang pinaka-source nila ng stem cell. Okay. Another option in our list is adult stem cells banking. So halimbawa po ako, pwede ngayon, I could have my stem cells bank. So kukuha po sila ng stem cell from my bone marrow or my fats, and then ito po ay ibabank, no, i-store if you freeze. Okay, kaya lang there could be a discrepancy pagdating po sa edad ko ngayon at saka sa edad ng aking stem cell due to the factors na pinag-usapan natin kanina. So pwedeng ako 34 years old ngayon biologically, pero pag scan nila, nako sir, ang inyo pong stem cells ay edad 50, no? Okay, so hindi na siya kasing effective katulad nung mas batang stem cells. Now, there's also a way na pwedeng libre. Yan, libre po. No? Ibig sabihin, hindi natin kailangan mag-undergo ng ibang mga procedure. Pero nagre-require ng disiplina. And what is that? Through healthy lifestyle. Kasi may stem cell pa rin naman po ang katawan natin ngayon. Kaya lang, habang nagkakaedad tayo, napupundi siya. So, paano natin ipe-preserve yon or pagiging active ang stem cell natin? Well, number one, kailangan po natin i-check, no? Tayo ay kumakain ng fresh fruits and vegetables or preferably organic. Sino po nakakagawa niyan dito? Not everyone, no? Okay. Pangalawa, kailangan po nakakainom tayo ng at least 10 to 12 glasses of water a day, no? Hindi po kasama yung Coke at hindi po kasama ang mga kape dyan. Dahil nakaka-dehydrate po yun. So, you need water. Nagagawa po ba? Yan, ayan, okay. And then, another point, kailangan po tayo ay nakakatulog, nakakapag-sleep or rest ng at least 8 hours a day, no? Uninterrupted sleep. Kaya po? Yung mga seniors natin, no, nahihirapan na pag ganyan. Okay. And another thing to check, kailangan po kayo ay hindi nai-stress. Okay, so kung ganyan ang sagot, ibig sabihin, ang hirap, no, ineffective and persistent, no. But good thing there is, ayan, technology right now. Kasi ang tanong dati, meron bang convenient, effective, and affordable way? Noon, wala, no, during the past. But good thing now, there's oral capsule modern technology that made it possible. And we are proud to tell you na ito pong mga teknolohiyang ito ay nasa ating produkto. And number one of this is the supercritical extraction process. So this is a first sa mga food supplements po, no? Sa pamamagitan kasi ng extraction ng ating mga ingredients na nabanggit ko, ito po na efficiently na nahihiwalay yung extract from other components, no, at na-maintain na 99% ng kanyang biological activity. Hindi katulad ng ibang traditional way of extracting, no, kung yan ay steaming, kung yan ay press or others na nababawasan. So tayo pa lang ang gumagamit po niyan in our supplement. Okay? Pangalawa, we have freeze drying technology, yung ating pong mga ingredients and most especially yung ating main ingredient. Pagka-harvest po natin sa kanya, fini-freeze natin ito para bioactive sa loob ng capsule natin in the next 3 to 4 years. Okay. Pangatlong technology natin is nitrogen-filled technology. So tinanggal po natin yung oxygen sa capsule at pinalitan ng nitrogen. Bakit po? Dahil ang oxygen, pag may presence po niyan, ay nag-encourage ng growth ng bacteria, no? At unti-unting pagkasira. Ang tawag po doon ay oxidation. To give you an example or an illustration, halimbawa meron po tayong mansanas na hiniwa natin into half. Diba, pagbukas po natin nun, nung una, it's yellow, pero after a while, magiging brown. So that's oxidation. So ang sa atin po, selyado sa loob ng capsule natin at wala pong oxygen, kaya po fresh lahat ng mga ingredients po natin dyan. Okay. Pang-apat is what we call enteric-coated technology. Ang nagagawa po nito, yung ating capsule, meron siyang special coating na pagdating po niya sa ating stomach, which is acidic, no? Ang nangyayari po ay hindi siya natutunaw doon. Ang gagawin lang po ay dudulas siya para pagdating niya sa maliit na bituka or our small intestine na alkaline, doon siya magbubukas at maa-absorb ng ating katawan dahil doon po nangyayari ang absorption. Okay. Number 5 of our technology is emulsification technology. Ibig pong sabihin, pinaliit ng pinaliit yung ingredients o kung familiar kayo at narinig nyo na, nanotechnology. Okay, para makapasok agad sa ating sistema, no, sa ating katawan. And last but not the least, yung BioSoft Gel technology natin, even the capsule ensures na effective po yung mga ingredients at mabilis ma-dissolve sa ating katawan para ma-absorb agad ang mga bioactive nutrients. So all this technology, 6 in total, wala pa po sa ibang companies except in combination here with our product. At yun po ay ang Pure Cheer Placenta. Let's give a big round of applause po. Yan, okay. And now, on its 7th edition. Wow, 7th edition? Bakit Sir Erwin, no? Ano meron dyan? Mamaya, kwento ko po sa inyo. So, itong Pure Cheer Placenta, by the way, the name Pure Cheer stands for purity of the deer, no? Or pure deer. Ang ganda kasi ng tunog niya sa German. So, our founder, our CEO decided, to take that name, Pure Cheer. Kasi ang USA, no, dahil gawa po ito sa USA, no, especially our placenta, ay kilala sa ancient China na medicinal animal. Alam niyo po ba 'yan? So lahat po ng bahagi halos ng USA, mayroong medicinal value, no? It's called a divine beast, no? At ito po since 2008 up until now, no, the main ingredient of our product is deer placenta plus additional ingredients and improvements along the way. Okay. And we are proud to introduce to you the 5 patented ingredients. Pag sinabi pong patented, again, pinag-aralan, no? Scientifically proven and unique sa atin pong produkto. Okay. So, first is Cervicenta. Ano po yung Cervicenta na yan? Na trademark and patent of our product. Ito po, no, this is the purest 100:1 deer placenta mula sa New Zealand na gamit-gamit po natin ang supercritical fluid extraction. Kaya po, 99% ng multipotent stem cells na nandito ay viable talaga, no? At clinically proven to help address certain health concerns, no? And don't just take it from us, no? Hindi lang po kami ang nagsabi niyan, no? There is this doctor, si Dr. Victor W.S. Chen, who is now part of Reway, but formerly hindi po, no? Sino ba to he wrote the first book, ito pakita ko lang po sa inyo a bit. Secrets of the Rich and Famous. At si Dr. Chen lang naman po is the former medical director of Abbott Laboratories, Pharmacia, and Sharing Malaysia. At dati rin po siyang head ng scientific affairs for Atlanta Pharma. Okay, so yung unang-unang edition niya, dito, ang sabi po niya dito sa kanyang placental stem cell, no, The Secret of the Rich and Famous, sabi niya, this new book is an extension and not a replacement of the book na una niyang sinulat. And yung kanina po, pinakita ko sa inyo, this is the first book, Secret of the Rich and Famous. Okay? So, he is mentioning about stem cell therapy. At ngayon, ito na. Yan, yung pinakita ko po sa inyo. Secret of the Rich and Famous. The Brain of Placenta, Stem Cell Placenta. Okay. And in this book, at page 22, kasi hindi ko po maipakita sa inyo yung actual book, so I have screenshots of the page. Page 22, sabi po niya dito, placenta-derived stem cells have inducible expressions of several pluripotency markers of factors that can turn your adult somatic cells into stem cells. Wow. Diba? Amazing. So yung matanda ng stem cell mo, gagawin pang stem cell na mas bata and pluripotent, can become other stem cells. Yan. Sabi po yan ni Dr. Chen. No? And that is our Cervicenta. In page 31, the pinakang trademark natin and patented ingredient. Ang sabi po ni Dr. Chen is a patented deer placenta extract for prevention and treatment of disease associated with inflammation. Yan. Kasama na po dyan ng asthma, yan, acute respiratory syndrome, COVID-19 by explaining yan. Pro-inflammatory cytokine expression and upregulating the anti-inflammatory cytokine response, no? Sa page 34 of the same book, ang sabi po niya sa isang model daw po, no, na bronchial epithelial cells na sinisimulate yung lungs ng tao, no. Cervicenta was able to enhance anti-inflammatory cytokine interleukin 10. Ibig sabihin lang po gumana, no, as proven by their experiment, no? At bakit ba inflammation? Kasi narinig natin anti-inflammatory, no? Kasi po pala, ito palang inflammation, no? If you put out the fire na to that's going the body, many, if not most, health problems will go away. Yan daw po ang ugat ng maraming mga chronic debilitating disease. Okay? So, yan po. And that's Cervicenta. Una pa lang po. Now, our second patented technology that is in this product is called Velvicenta. So, kung ang Cervicenta po is taken from a female deer, sa placenta ng female deer, Ang Velvecenta naman po is taken from the top 2 to 3 slices sa antler ng mga male deer. No, alam niyo po ba ito ang fastest growing regenerating part of deer na bawat isang araw can grow from up to 2 to 3 centimeter. Very effective na nagre-regenerate yan. At in a laboratory, pag pinagsama po yung stem cells from the antler and the placenta, alam niyo po ba pwede ito makaperform ng baby deer in a laboratory? That's how amazing this is. Okay. And to support from the write-up of Dr. Chen, sabi po niya, for instance, studies on deer antler found perhaps overlapping stem cell markers like CD105 and OCT4. Okay, scientific stuff. Okay. But don't just take it from us. Again, si Dr. Chen po ang nagsabi po niyan. And our next ingredient is called N-ginseng. Again, another patent and unique to our product, 7th edition. Ito po ay ginseng na planted in New Zealand volcanic soil. At ang kagandahan po nito, no, it has 20% more ginsenosides than the regular ginseng. No. At alam niyo po ba na ang ginseng, to be told na maganda po siya, ay kailangan 6 years, at least 6 years para masabing magandang quality siya. Pero yung atin po actually is about 10 years ng pinlant. Okay? And hindi lang yan, it's proven to contain 20% more ginsenoside, samantalang yung ordinary ginseng 3 to 5% lang po. At ang absorption rate natin is 70%. Samantalang sa ibang ginseng, no, napakababa, 0.1 to 3.7%. So we have 150 times more effective absorption. And it can prevent tumor, inflammation, and many other benefits. No? And pang-apat sa ating patented ingredients is what we call Axertone. Yeah. Ano ba itong Axertone? Axertone na ito. This is antler lingxi or mushroom. No? Prized possession po ito. At alam nyo, very rare siya because it's deer, yung itsura niya mukhang deer din po, no? And it's very difficult to produce, ha? Because this only, with 100,000 types of Ganoderma, bibihira po yung ganito. And only under certain circumstances, no, will you be able to produce this thing. Kailangan tama yung weather, yung humidity, yung temperature, so that kung makikita po ninyo dito, yung kanyang tip, yan ay milky in color. Yan, okay. Kasi ang mga mushroom po, no, usually, paano ba sila dumadami? Nag-i-spread sila through their spora. Yun, yung pinapakalat, yung parang binubuga nila. But yun nga, in certain conditions, ang nangyayari po sa Axertone ay sa halip na mag-spread siya, na siya ay na concentrate, no, at naiiwan. At alam niyo po ba, napakaraming nutrients na laman-laman yun, no? And kung dati talagang kailangan po ito 1 in every 100,000 lang makukuha mo, ngayon we now have the technology to control the environment para ma-produce siya. At dati po mga gumagamit lang nito ay mga emperors. So ibig sabihin po, no, para kayong emperor or empress using this product, no. At alam nyo, it has 15 times more triproteins and 20 times more polysaccharide than the usual lingxi or yung mga mushroom type na herbs dyan. Okay. And it's also helpful to fight cardiovascular disease. Antibacterial po yan, antioxidant, yan, anti-aging, anti-blood pressure, at marami pang ibang benefits. Okay. And last but not the least of this patent is Nucleiclavem. Wow, ito po ay galing sa white strawberry from Japan. At alam niyo po ba na ito ay sabi nga it is very very effective and can increase your immunity to help kill cancer cells and lower cancer genes. At ang Nucleiclavem po is taken not just from the fruit, kundi kasama din po actually yung kanyang yung leaf, yung kanyang stem, and even the roots. And again, this is a patented ingredient only with Riway International. So bakit natin kailangan ng supplement? Well, for many reasons. Kasi kulang na po ang ating kinakain, yung sustansya ng kinakain natin, no, to help prevent, recover, repair, lower the tree highs, protect, detox, and most of all na unique with our product is regeneration. At kung dati kailangan mo pa ng napakaraming food supplement, iba-iba at magkakahiwalay, now Wow, one product to fulfill all your health supplement needs and conveniently in one single capsule. So this is the component of our product. So we have 5 patented technologies and meron pa pong 9 other ingredients, no? So brown seaweed from Japan, that is very very helpful pagdating po sa mga cancer concerns because it triggers apoptosis, no? Kilala po 'yan. You can search fucoidan extract. We also have apple extract. Ito po is the concentration of 100 green apple in a single capsule every time you drink. Meron tayong tomato extract, no, or lycopene for good heart health. And the others, marine collagen, evening primrose oil for skin, hair, and nails, para po sa ating mga hormones, para sa brain, sa skin, and boosting of our immune system. So lahat po ng yan, pinagsama-sama all in our product called Pure Tear Placenta 7th edition. No, that is now ready and available in the market, and no other company has this in combination. May mga iba na nagtatry, no, but still far from our product Pure Tear Placenta. We are inviting you to invite friends to come and listen to our presentations and learn more about this product, and of course the platform and the company that carries it, Riway International. So maraming salamat, and we look forward to meeting you again. And if you have questions, please go back to the person who invited you for you to learn more. Thank you and God bless. This ends my presentation, and have a great day.